What are you so worried about?
We're over. Goodbye.
Hi, I'm Ophelia. I'm your custom-made resilience program. I will now change to the figure of the person you hate the most. You are free to talk with that person as much as you want.
I was so jealous of you.
Jealous of me? I've always been jealous of you. You've lived so freely.
You're still so. You have a whole life whenever you want to be.
I wanted you to listen to me and look at me.
I wanted
you to listen. Been so free.
I finally figured out what you needed.
Long time no see. I'm sorry that I disappeared so suddenly.
Where have you been?
It was for you.
I get the feeling that we're not talking seriously.
Let's focus on it. It was for you.
Let's focus on ourselves.
It was nice talking to you.
You are now safe to be on your own.